Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and this is Daphne, and today we have an exciting trip to the Apple store, and I'm gonna be picking up my Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max in 512 gigabytes in deep purple. And as you can see, the line is really long, and it only took me 15 minutes, and I'm checking some of the cases, but I was not able to find what I'm looking for. And here, bag is secure. It's very busy inside the store, and here's my husband looking at the other iPhone 14 models, and let's go and proceed with our unboxing. So I got my iPhone on the release date, which is yesterday, September 16, 2022. So yesterday's packaging was in black, and now it is a white box. It has such a gorgeous color. I love it. So it has the usual USB cable and the instructions or the manual. But now, since we do have, there's a latest update with the iPhone 14 model, so they don't have, or we will not be able to use the physical SIM card. We have to convert it into an eSIM, which I'm going to show you in a bit. And here is how the color looks like. I went outside and just let the sun do its thing, and it's so gorgeous. Now let me show you the different modes for the camera. It has now an added 3 times the zoom, and of course the portrait, and the pictures are really nice, really crisp, as you can tell here. And I'm gonna also show you how the video looks like, and it's also awesome. It's very clear, it has an auto focus, and so far I'm really impressed. Now I'm ready to transfer my data from my old iPhone 13 Pro to my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. This process took me about, I believe, 30 minutes. It depends on your internet, but mine took a while. Now, let's go back to the eSIM. So on your old iPhone, you should be able to see the convert to eSIM option under your settings app, and then onto your profile or Apple ID, and then cellular data. However, with my current carrier, AT&T, I'm just using a prepaid SIM, so it did not work for me. So I went to the store and it only took 15 minutes for them to convert it to eSIM. I spent about $5, and yeah, it was easy. It was an easy process. You can all try there. And this is the process that Apple made me like a total idiot because I don't know. It says to hold up the image from my iPhone 14 to the camera of my old iPhone, but it's not working. I tried a different angles, everything, and it's just not working. I don't know why. It's just, I don't know. And at the end, I just decided to set it up manually. You can all do that. And that is it. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe for more iPhone content and videos. Like this video as well and subscribe to my channel, and have a good one.